mag-react sila. Lalayaw.
Oo, kasi kakain sila sa
1 hour lang.
laot. Yes. For the vlog pala. So we're here in Alsip, guys.
Ito minsan may mga ano.
We're here in Alsip. We're going to eat Japanese noodle. So we're looking for that. Sorry. Andun pa yung madaming boat. Andun pa yung madaming boat. Saan kaya yung noodle? Diba? Hi!
Hello sir, good drive. Hi po, you want dinner cruise po? 2 hours.
Thank you. No, we're looking for the Japanese restaurant. Japanese restaurant. Where is that? Thank you.
Thank you. Magpaguto muna daw tayo.
Oo, dito.
Masarap ba doon?
Oo, sabi nila. Tapos ang ganda pa ng ano, very Japanese. Ang atake. Yes. May ilaw na. Maganda pa dyan si Mi Amor. Dito ba yun? Hindi ko nga, nakalimutan ko. Pwede, picturean kita. Ah, halika.